Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be addressing a common issue faced by Instagram users, Instagram not working. In this updated tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to fix Instagram not working. Step 1. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection before using Instagram. Step 2. Make sure you have the most up-to-date version of the Instagram app. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. Step 3. If Instagram is still not working, try restarting the app or your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and restore functionality. Step 4. If the issue persists, try logging in on another device. This will help determine if the problem is specific to your device or account. Step 5. Another option is to try using Instagram in a browser. Accessing Instagram through a web browser can sometimes bypass app-related issues. Step 6. Clear your cache. Over time, cached data can accumulate and cause performance issues. Clearing the cache can help resolve these problems. Step 7. Ensure that you have enabled all necessary permissions for the Instagram app. Check your device settings to make sure all required permissions are granted. Step 8. Lastly, you can switch to Instagram Lite, a lighter version of Instagram designed for Android users. Instagram Lite consumes less data and may provide a smoother experience. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram not working problems you've been facing. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.